Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December 26th, the day after Christmas, and taking a look at the SPY, we're still setting up really beautiful here. Opening up kind of flat today. Let's see what happens. I expected we could see just a nice little slow grind higher, but you never know. So let's take a look at some setups because I do have about all 4 or 5 really nice setups that are looking pretty tasty. Let's start out with this WM Waste Management. And I'm liking this. A trade above this 178 level would be probably a nice setup to eventually go to all-time highs there in waste management. A lot of them, once again, a lot of these charts, they look very, very similar because of the market. But let's see if we can find things that may be potentially setting up for an explosive move. Siri is another one on the list. I love the way it's holding this 10-period moving average after having a nice move, pulling back, catching that 10-period moving average. I got a price alert close to that high 2 days ago. PPL. PPL is on the list today, and you're going to notice very similar pattern. Look for violation of that $27 range. If it takes out that, look for some volume if it does, and see it may have a chance to take out this high over here about around 27.68. Let's see. Base is a very interesting setup here, and boy, nice move on volume, pulling back, and look how it's setting up on this 10-period moving average. This one is subjective where somebody might want to take it. I would look for just maybe a trade above, maybe 10 cents above yesterday's or Friday's close. But anyway, one other, I think, roll. I'm not sure if I got this one. ROL. Very nice, but it looks very similar to the SPY. So a lot of these are going to trade with the SPY. So that's it for today. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.